Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear student, I am Muhammad Shahjahan, Assistant Professor, Department of Accounting, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka. Dear student, this is our second lecture on chapter 1. Today we will discuss accounts. Dear student, after this lecture you will be able to find the amount of drawings. You will be able to find the amount of asset and you will be able to find the amount of liabilities. Dear student, this is an example. Look at, we have some accounts. We have capital, mortgage loan. Last class I have discussed what is accounts, how many types of accounts. I think all of you know. You can remember that there are 5 types of accounts in accounting. Some are assets, some are liabilities, some are income, some are expense, and some are equity. Dear student, look at, there are some name of accounts and amounts is given to us, and look at, there are some others, and our requirement is amount of drawings, amount of asset, amount of liabilities. Let's come to the solution. Dear student, now we will find out amount of drawings from the above transaction. Look at first, let's come to the transaction. Let's come to the amounts. Look at capital. It is not drawings. All of you know that. Mortgage loan, no. Prepaid rent, no. Income tax, it is a drawings. Dear student, income tax is a drawings. At first we have to know what is drawings. Drawings means if owner takes anything. Dear student, keep it in your mind, this is very important. If owner takes anything from the business for his personal reason, that means if owner uses any of business things for his personal purpose, then it is called drawings. Look at income tax. Income in a business, in a sole proprietorship business, in tax is for owner, because owner is fully responsible for profit or loss. That means if he earn profit, from that profit he has to pay tax. That means business organization has no separate entity. That's why in sole proprietorship business tax is given for owner. That means this income tax is for owner. That's why this is a drawings. Then bank account, commission, receive in advance, no. Furniture account receivable, there are no other drawings. Let's see here. Look at income tax, this is drawings. Then life insurance premium. Look at, life is for owner, this is also a drawings. Life insurance premium also drawings. Then accounts payable, interest receivable missing, no, there is no other item. Look at, our drawings is income tax and life insurance premium. That means only 2 items for drawings and total is 20,000. This is the answer. This way you will do. That means from the question, from the accounts, we have to find out which account is for drawings, then total of this account is the answer, 20,000. Very easy if you know the definition of drawings. Again I am telling, if owner takes anything for his personal reason, then it is called drawings. Look at, now we have to find out the amount of asset. We have to find the amount of asset. Again let's see the question. Dear student, at first you have to know that what is asset. Asset means the things belongs to an organization and will give service them for long time. That means the things belongs to an organization and will give service more than one accounting year. Dear student, all of you know that we are doing accounting for 1 year. If any expenses is given more than one accounting year, then that is drawings. Then that is asset. Then that is asset. Look at here. Capital, no. Mortgage loan, it is liability. Prepaid rent, this is asset. Dear student, rent is expense, it is for current year, but if we paid any rent for next year, that means it is our asset. So number 1 asset is prepaid rent. Then bank account, that means in the bank account we have some money, it is our asset, 55,000. If bank overdraft, that is liability. Commission received in advance, this is also a liability. Bills payable. Furniture, dear student, furniture is our asset, because you know that furniture will give you service long time. Account receivable, this is also asset, because you will receive the money from some other person to whom you sold on credit. They will give you money next year, next time. That's why this is account receivable, also our asset. Cash account, this is number one asset. We have cash money, it will give us service. Goodwill also asset, because but what is goodwill, dear student? All of you know that goodwill means the things help you to sell your goods. That means it is also give us service. It is intangible asset, we cannot see but we can feel. If you went to a shop, if you would like to buy a renowned brand goods, why? Because this has some brand value. That means that is the goodwill. That means goodwill is an asset which give your customer some confidence to buy your goods. Dear student, let's see next question. Salary due liability in life, no. Goodwill, it is our asset. Bank overdraft, no, it is liability. Accounts payable, liability. Interest receivable, dear student, this is another asset. Interest receivable, it is our asset. Machine, it is also an asset. Unearned sub-rent, this is liability. Stationary due liability. Dear student, asset is over. Let's see the list now. Look at prepaid rent, it is our asset. Interest receivable, it is our asset. Machine asset. Furniture, I have told you. Account receivable. Goodwill, bank account, cash account, all are our asset. Dear student, total of asset is 3,95,000. I hope all of you understand which one is asset, which one is liability. Again I am telling prepaid rent. At first I will tell definition. The things give you service more than a year, that means more than a accounting year, that is our asset. So here prepaid rent is our asset. Interest receivable, that is also our asset. Machine, that is also our asset. Furniture, interest receivable, next year you will receive the money. Machine, it will give you service for long time, that's why it is fixed asset. Furniture, this is also a fixed asset. Account receivable, current asset. The sold good, if you sold goods on credit, then current asset arise. Dear student, goodwill, it is also our asset. Fixed asset. Bank account, current asset. Cash account, current asset. So these are the example of asset. Dear student, again I am telling, if you have any problem with any of asset, you should discuss with me. You can write me so that I can give you description why it is an asset. Dear student, let's come next topics. Amount of liabilities. That means now you have to find the amount of liabilities. Which are liability? What is called liability? The things which we are bound to pay. That means we are bound to pay. We borrowed money from some other person, or we have to pay to other person, then it is our liability. Let's see the question at first, dear student. Yes, this is the question. Capital, no, it is not liability. This is owner's equity, money of owner. Mortgage loan, it is your liability, because you have to pay later on. It is our liability. Commission received in advance, it is liability, because you receive the service in advance. If you receive any service in advance, then it is our liability. Bills payable, that means you have to pay later on, so it is our liability. Accounts payable, you have to pay later on, this is our liability. Then bank overdraft, this is also our liability. Salary due, that means salary of worker is due, that is also our liability. We have to pay the salary to the worker. Accounts payable, our liability. Unearned sub rent, this is also our liability. Sub rent means if you have a rented house, if you give rent to some other person, partial part of that rented house, that is your sub rent. If it is unearned, that means you receive advance, that is your liability, because you have to give this service to him. And stationary due, that means if any expenses due, then it is also liability, because you have to pay later on. Let's see the math, dear student. Yes, look at unearned sub rent. This is liability. Bank overdraft. You have to pay later on to the bank. This is liability. Stationary due. You purchase stationery on credit. Later on you will pay. Salaries due. You have to pay the salary to your worker. This is your liability. Bills payable. You have to pay. It is your liability. Accounts payable. This is also liability. Commission received in advance. This is also a liability. Mortgage loan, this is also our liability, because we have to pay this liability. Dear student, I hope all of you understand which one is liability. Dear student, all of you know that there are 5 types of account: asset, liabilities, equities, and revenue. Dear student, in this math we have discussed asset, liabilities, and drawings. So inshallah, in next time we will discuss about equity, we will discuss about revenue, we will discuss about expenses. Dear student, I hope all of you are fine. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much. May Allah help all of us. Allah Hafiz.